So you're welcome to this particular section under NAM Newbies Affiliate Marketing Guide and Expo. So in this particular section, you're going to know how to close those leads for them to pay you and you get your money. You have learned how to generate those customers, free ways to do that, and paid ads. Before anybody or if anybody enters your DM to learn affiliate marketing, first introduce what affiliate marketing or digital marketing is all about to that person. It will help the person to know what he or she is about to start. Don't jump and send that person your affiliate links to make payment. Don't do that. First introduce what affiliate marketing is all about to that person to be able to make it easier for you and that person. Now, here is the practical ways to do that. So if person enter your DM, tell the person to save your number first in case if that person that wants to buy from you the same day, you can use follow up. Okay, so now what you're going to do is first tell the person what affiliate marketing is all about. Okay, just introduce what affiliate marketing is all about. You can see me how I did my own. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's or companies products online. Okay, you can also go further to tell the person what or example of digital products and all these things, how to promote it, and also tell the person that he or she will be able to earn commission as well. Okay, so it's very important too. So you can also go to your gallery and send screenshots of people who are doing or making money from affiliate marketing. Remember that people love to see people that are making or like people need results to believe exactly what you are doing. Okay, so it's most important for you to also send a screenshot or earnings from affiliate marketing side. If you have not earned from affiliate marketing, maybe you are a beginner, you can use other people's own. Okay, so you add the screenshot. You can see I sent this person 100k is made in just one day after making or withdrawing 500k day before yesterday. So this lady made 100k plus 500k just using his smartphone, and it's amazing. All of them is via affiliate marketing. So I send it to this person. It's so amazing. So you can oh wow, he said wow, that's amazing. For you give some people the result or evidence of what they're about to learn, they'll be willing to. Wow, he said I'm ready to proceed as well. Okay, let me say okay. Then you have told the person the what affiliate marketing is all about and how it works, everything. Then you have also showed the person the screenshot of people who are doing well or making it big from affiliate marketing. It's not a must that you will use yours. Okay, you can use other people's own. Then this person said I am ready to proceed. Now let me send him something like a message to ask him if we be able to afford the payment to learn everything. Can you afford 5,500 naira to learn everything? So this is how much my product is right now. Wow, he said yes. All right, let's proceed. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to send her my affiliate link and you will see how everything is working. So let me go and get my affiliate link. So I'll tell the person to send me screenshots to avoid mistake. Then here is my affiliate link. So he will click there to start and be also showing me screenshots as well. Reason is guide these people. They don't really know how to make payments. You will be the one to guide them. Okay, if they show you screenshots, tell them what to do. Okay, she asked me what to do next, so she have to click grant me access, then add your details. Okay, Okay, so he said, let me make the payment now. Okay, it seems like this person really know how to do this. Boom, wow, she said payment done. All right, so she have to check her email. Check your email. All right, so your own is just to sell this product, and let me confirm if this person really made this payment. I'm going to go to my email. You can see automatically I receive an email. So boom, you can see this person surely make the payment, and you can see above no sell, no sell. So what I sold to this person is international TikTok account. Let me open it so that you will see it by yourself clearly. Congratulations, you made a sale. So you can see the price of this particular product, which is 5,250. Okay, so everything is also clear, and you can also see the name of the buyer, which is Amara Uday. So this is how to make sales. Okay, you can also confirm by scrolling down, then you view your dashboard. You go to that your affiliate marketing platform to check it by yourself. Okay, you can see your upcoming payouts. I have one here, and if I open it well, I will see everything the buyer submitted. Okay, you can see the name of the person is Amara Uday, and if I go to my wallet, let me see my wallet. Currently, I have 5,550 here, 5,250 here, and another one is still dropping the sale that I just made now. You can also withdraw this fund as well. In fact, let me just withdraw this money immediately. Okay, let me withdraw it immediately to show you that everything works like magic. Then let me click withdraw. Then this is my bank details. I will click withdraw again. You can see above transfer initiated. So just in a few minutes I will just receive alert immediately. So this is how to close customers, and this is how to also close deals. Okay, so you can do it as well, and you see that it works like magic. Okay, so anytime somebody comes to your DM, don't just send your link to make money. First introduce what your product, the affiliate marketing is all about to the person. And also remember, the more you affiliate or sell a product, the more money you make. Let that be in your mind.